This episode analyzes Bam Adebayo's rise from overlooked recruit to cornerstone of a championship squad, highlighting adaptability, defense, and leadership. His versatility on both ends of the floor redefined modern roles, turning tentative steps into decisive plays under playoff pressure. Key moments, from a breakout playoff run to trusted mentorship, reveal discipline, timing, and calculated risk that steady a young star. Aspiring players learn to diversify skills, sharpen basketball IQ, and stay resilient when the system demands more than speed. Ultimately, the story offers a mindset shift toward teamwork, preparation, and relentless growth as the game evolves for players everywhere.